So we will start by going to File, New, and the new dialog box will give us lots of options. One of them is going to be sizes, and then also what measurement. So in this case, we want inches. We want 8 by 10. And for the first one, we're going to go to 72 dots per inch, or pixels per inch, same thing. But that's going to be our RGB mode. RGB is for the screen. The screen really only has 72 dots per inch of resolution anyways, so that's why we'll design within those parameters. 8, 10, 72 RGB, and we hit create. So there's our file. All right, on the right-hand side here, and if you don't see it, you can go to Window and then Channels. You have your red, green, and blue, and then this turns them all on and off, that top one. And the idea is to draw inside of each channel. So for red, we're not going to see it as red. Again, this is very experimental. We just draw them black. If you want to erase, you could erase it with the eraser tool. Or you could just draw white on top of it. All right. The grays in between will get you some stuff too. But just stick with drawing in black and white. And as you see here, the eyeball shows just what layer is on, what's visible. And clicking here will highlight what layer you're working on. If we come back up to the top and turn it on, it puts them all on for us. The idea here is to use these very limited tools, these very unconventional tools, to see what you can make. So that's the RGB. We'll set up the next one. That's CMYK. Same thing, File, New, 8 by 10 for size, so 10 inches by 8 inches, and resolution 300 pixels per inch for CMYK. Because CMYK files are better for printing and you could print with higher resolution, that's why we're choosing 300 DPI. In the event that you wanted to print this, it should print out nice and crisp and clean now. And hit create. So again, off on the right-hand side here, you should see layers, channels, paths. You want to just draw on the layers again. I start by turning them all off. And then just selecting one that you want to work on. Paintbrush tool, black. Right. And then when you come back to here, you'll see all your art. And again, experiment, test out, play. You know, this is literally like playing with Play-Doh. It doesn't matter what you make, just, you know, something will come out of it. When you're done, you want to file, save as, and then you'll save it on your computer. And you can save it as a JPEG. And this is the CMYK. So we'll do assignment 1 CMYK, and that's what you'll upload to Canvas. All right, once that's saved.